Hey everyone, and welcome back to our math channel. Today we are diving into the world of geometry to talk about one of the most famous shapes out there, the triangle. Whether you're studying for a grade 6 math test or just want to brush up on your shape skills, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a triangle? Well, in geometry, a triangle is a flat shape, or a polygon, that has exactly 3 edges and 3 vertices, which is just a fancy math word for corners. In fact, the prefix tri literally means 3. Just think of a tricycle with 3 wheels, or a tripod with 3 legs. It's the absolute simplest flat shape you can draw using straight lines. Now, not all triangles look the same. Mathematicians love to sort things into categories, and one of the best ways to sort triangles is by looking at their sides. Meet the side squad. When we classify triangles by their side lengths, they fall into one of 3 cool categories: equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. Let's break them down. First up, the equilateral triangle. The name actually gives away its secret. Equi means equal, and lateral means side. So an equilateral triangle has 3 completely identical, perfectly equal sides. And because it's so perfectly balanced, all 3 of its inside angles are exactly 60 degrees. It's the perfectionist of the triangle family. Next, we have the isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has exactly 2 sides that are the same length. Think of them as a matching pair. And here's a super cool geometry secret. Because those 2 sides are equal, the 2 angles directly opposite from them are also exactly equal to each other. They always come in pairs. Finally, we have the scalene triangle. This is the rebel of the group. A scalene triangle has absolutely 0 equal sides and 0 equal angles. Every single side is a different length, and every single angle is a completely different size. It's totally unpredictable. All right, so that's how we sort them by their sides. But what if we look at the inside corners? Let's classify them by their angles. Welcome to the angle alliance. Just like with sides, there are 3 types here. First is the acute triangle. This means all 3 of its inside angles are less than 90 degrees. They're sharp, narrow, and a cute little shape. Next is the right triangle. It has exactly one 90-degree angle, which looks just like a perfect square corner. And last is the obtuse triangle. This one has one angle that is greater than 90 degrees, making it look super wide and open. Now, before we move on, I need to tell you about the magic number of triangles. Are you ready? It's 180. No matter what kind of triangle you draw, big, small, acute, or scaling, if you add up all 3 of its inside angles, they will always, always, always equal exactly 180 degrees. Memorize that rule because it will save you on your next math test. So, when you see a triangle in the wild, you actually give it a first name and a last name. We combine the side name and the angle name. For example, you could have a right isosceles triangle or an obtuse scalene triangle. But watch out for impossible shapes. For example, can you have a right equilateral triangle? Nope. Remember, equilateral triangles must have 60-degree angles, so squeezing a 90-degree right angle in there is mathematically impossible. All right, it's quiz time. Let's see if you were paying attention. Can a single flat triangle have 2 right angles inside of it? Think about our magic number rule. Leave your answers down in the comments below. If you got this right, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome math tricks. See you in the next video.